Mm-hmm.
I know it. Pre-soak. Pre-soak. This is pre-soak applicator.
Ooh, a nice little misting. A fine mist.
Oh. It's almost time for the wash cycle. I mean, it's still pre-soak, second pre-soak. And I'm really glad. And sometimes my dad's gonna upload the video right here to the YouTube channel. Inside, is the video still on, Daddy?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, here comes the super wash. Here comes the super wash. Whoa, now that was the blast of water. And oh,
Here it comes.
oh.
Cool.
Foam! The colored bubbles! Here it is! Look at this!
Ugh.
Look at all those colors on the window!
Looks like bird ostrich vomit.
Oh, blue!
Smells nice, though.
Oh, it smells good.
Yeah, you smell it?
Yep! It's also time for the spot-free rinse. What's it doing now?
Probably getting ready to rinse all that icky gunk off. Go! There it went.
It's going a different way. Why is it going this way now?
Because it's a mystery car wash. Here it comes. Ew, yuck.
Wipers!
Now, this is your spot-free rinse right here, you see? See, spot-free rinse.
And air drying!
Whoa. Like at the same time.
Yep, here we are, spot-free rinse and air
I dare you open the window.
Yeah, open it!
Don't you do it. It's not coming back through this way yet.
I'm opening the window!
Uh-oh.
We're
It's
opening the
air
window
drying.
at the car wash!
Open it up a little bit more. It's gonna come at you.
Water's gonna come at me?
No, just the air.
Oh, it got me wet! Oh, wow! And air drying. Nice process. It's drying.
Looks like we're done.